All right, let's have a look at the trial footage from our first ever trial in the sport of PSA, getting a PDC at the Murder Capital Canine trial in St. Louis, Missouri.
PDC today. Obedience, all through protection. Let's hear it all the way from the country of England. Alex.
So let's have a look and see what things we need to improve. Where do I need to train better?
Down.
So I need to improve the speed of my positions, the speed of my recalls, the quality and crispiness of my turns, and that would have put us in better standing to have full points. We got 61 out of 65, which is still awesome and I'm thrilled with. And so then it is on to protection.
Work the dog back to the handler. Handler, pick up your leash. Freeze up. Out your dog. Out.
Move, get up there.
I'm just chuffed to bits. She did awesome. She got an 88 out of 90 in protection, rounding out our PDC with a 61 in obedience, an 88 in protection. We got 149 points out of 155 total possible points. But even with the good score, I was still nervous because in a couple of weeks we had our PSA 1, and the 1s are a big step up from the PDC. So please check out that recap. I'm going to get that published super soon.